Ken from Smart Forex Education, Dow Jones chart. So, what can we say about the Dow Jones? 30 of the largest companies, corporations in the US as an average, just in case you don't know. Essentially, since November 2000, this is a daily time frame. Essentially, since November 2012, the market has just been increasing in value. Huge move to the upside, high lows in price, high highs in price. This is purely being based on mortgage-backed securities, Federal Reserve, money printing. We just heard news that the Ben Bernanke and the Federal Reserve will be looking at tapering the mortgage-backed securities. So what's been happening is that this whole market's move to the upside has been purely based on QE, quantitative easing. Now they have stated that they're looking to scale back on the monthly money printing, and basically the market's going to have to fend for itself. The market will not be supported, or still be supported, but not to the huge amount of capital that we have seen through the last few months. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen to the index, the US, Dow Jones 30, the S&P, the major indexes. What we're currently seeing on the price action, as this market is overvalued, there has to be some form of a retracement back to the downside to form some form of value level for price. Now, what you can do very quickly is just draw in let's go for a freehand. I think that'll be easier. Let's draw in a freehand from the high lows in price. Let's take this away very quickly. So what we're looking at, the short-term bounce here at 14,936. That could totally flush out some of these buy orders, individuals that were entering the trade too late. So hopefully we can see a bit of a flush, squeeze back to an area of value. This is not an area where I'll be interested. This is not an area where a huge proportion of hedge funds, mutual funds, pension funds will be looking at buying. No way, especially after the fundamental news. What you'll be finding now, you'll be finding an inverse. You'll be finding people actually covering their long positions, or alternatively, some of the aggressive traders will be looking at going short. So heads up, something to look over the next few weeks for this market to print out the highs and to see the market probably try and trade sideways to down for the next few weeks. That's the ultimate goal.